guys, what is up? It's me, Looks by Lottie, and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time here on my channel, then welcome! I'm so glad to see you here today. Make sure to subscribe down below if you like videos about makeup. Currently, I'm in the middle of LOTTIEWEEN, so I'm posting a lot of content this month, but I'll be posting on Tuesdays and Fridays when we get back in November. So make sure to subscribe down below for more fun videos. If this is your second, third, fourth, or however many times you've been here, then welcome back. It's so good to see you here again. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you never miss any of my videos. Now, before we get into today's tutorial, I just want to thank you guys for 300 subscribers. It's crazy to think, but I just started this channel back in March and it's just been so much fun. I know I haven't grown like a crazy lot like compared to, the other big YouTubers, but I'm just having a lot of fun with this, and so I'm just glad that you guys enjoy my little corner of the internet. So thank you for all the love and support, and I can't wait to see how the rest of this journey goes because I'm not stopping anytime soon. But anyways, today's look is going to be a witch look. Ooh.
Very spooky.
I did a witch look last year, and let's be honest, she is very basic. So we're going to step it up a little bit this year, make it a little more colorful, more creative, more fun. I'm gonna pull my hair back and also set down my foundation and my concealer, and I will be with you guys in a second. Jacob, come to mama. Come here, baby. There you are. There's an angel. Oh, wait. Here's an angel. Hello. Hi, baby. Say hi to YouTube. Look, this is my little black cat, the witch's cat. Aren't you so happy to be alive? Okay, I'll put you down now. All right, so I haven't set my face yet because we are going to be trying out a new thing. This technically isn't new because I've tried the formula before, but it's a new shade. And you'll see this in my Sephora haul that I'm gonna be posting next week. But I picked out a Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Cream Blush, and this is in the shade Drama Class. Yes, TikTok right now is like all over the purple blush, so I'm living for it. And so I picked it up and I was like, this will be perfect for this look. So I didn't set my face yet, so it's still kind of wet. I'm going to be ruining this perfect pan and gonna start tapping it on my cheeks. This is so beautiful for fall. I put a little too much on my nose. I don't know when I would wear this outside of fun makeup colors. I guess I kind of have to experiment, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna build up the pigment a little bit because I know when I put on my powder, it'll kind of go away. So it might look like a hot mess for a second, but then it'll chill out once I set my face. I don't really have a purple powder blush, so I'm gonna go into the Moon Prism blush palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Spacey, which is the next best thing. To bronzen up my face, I'm gonna go into the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. And I'm not gonna go super crazy with this. I might add a little bit of gray to add, a more cooling effect, but I'm not looking to be super bronzed. I'm more so trying to be snatched. A skinny legend over here. Yeah, just to add a little bit of that coolness factor, I'm just gonna take this shade and this shade, mix them together, and put them on top of my contour. Bronze moment type deal. All right, for my first highlight, I am going to go into the Ciate London X Christine Quinn No Filter Universal Complexion Brightener. I actually got this in PR. I don't know if you guys know this, but sometimes Ciate London will send me collections and I'm like, oh my gosh, hello. They've sent me their NMO collection and also this Christine Quinn collection. I think in November I want to do a video on how I personally have started to receive PR. I don't get paid for my work yet. I know that there is one company that has talked about potentially paying me, but that's kind of on the back burner right now for them. But yeah, if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and let me know down below. But now let's put on our first highlight. To top it off, I am putting the Supreme Frost from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm gonna upset somebody. But this is the shade Choking on Ice. If you can't tell, we're going for a purple vibe today, which is exactly what we are going to be doing with the eyes. And speaking of eyeshadow, look at this brush collection I got from Beauty Bakery. Ah! Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I was talking about it with one of the custodians at work today. Like, the brush bag is an apron! This is actually my first Beauty Bakery purchase. I also bought a lipstick, which I'm hoping to probably wear this weekend when I go to the pumpkin patch. But yeah, these are the brushes I'm gonna be using today. And we're gonna start with, I don't wanna break it, okay. We're gonna start with this one. And the first palette we're gonna go into is the Glam x Michaela palette. Fun packaging, wee. The first shade I'm going to use is the shade MJ. And we're just gonna put that in the crease and flick it out like kind of lower. So not like super high, but it's gonna be more of a flick down here. You'll see what I mean in a second. All right, the next shade I'm going to go into is Pot 2, and we're going to do the same thing, just a little bit lower in my crease. All right, next up we are going to go into the Jackie Aina X ABH palette, and I'm going to take a little bit of Supreme and mix it into this purple concoction. Doesn't look like much, but it added a little something something. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here called Big Wig and put it in the low part of my crease and let it blend up into our other shades. Next, we're gonna cut the crease, and I'm going to cut almost my entire lid. We're just gonna leave a little bit of the outer corners intact and, you know, cut crease free. For my cut crease, I'm going to go into the shade Zam! And then after I put it down, I'm going to blend it out with Big Wig right here on the sides. Okay, I'm thinking to deepen this up a little bit. I'm going to take this shade Willow and add it to my outer corner, just like a little bit, teeny tiny bit. Now on top of our shimmer, we're gonna add the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in shade Sail Away. And now it's time to add all of our matte shadows onto my lower lash line. All right, it is now time for lashes and liner. I'll be back in a flash. Alrighty, what? Hello? Is there an Alex?
In here.
Where is an Alex?
There is.
Where is he? Hello. If you hear any football, he's the reason for it. Goodbye.
Let me know when you're done.
I'll miss you.
What? Miss you too.
All right, so now the only thing that we have left to do is my lips. So I'm gonna take two Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipsticks. First is gonna be the shade Effin' Black, which is well loved here on this channel. Then we are also going to take Violet Fury. We're going to outline with the black and then fill in with the purple. Let's do it. Last but not least, we're gonna top it off with some gloss. This is the Fiji gloss from Le Rene Beauty. This is just a simple clear gloss. All right, let me change my outfit and do my hair, and I'll be back in a flash. All right, and here is the final look. What do we think? How are we feeling? Personally, I feel like I look good. Right, Alex?
Right.
Exactly. I really think that using purple made this super witchy, but you could totally use another color, like maybe green or red, whatever your preference is. And of course, you gotta have a little witchy hat. Hold on, I gotta make sure my bangs look good with this. Oh, hello. If you were a witch, what animal would be your sidekick? Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. We already know that Jacob would be mine. Oh, there he is, hello. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you. Now don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Make sure you subscribe and also turn on notifications so you know when I post my next video. Now I'm getting kind of thirsty. I think I need to cook up some witch's brew. I'll see you guys later. Bye!